1, 2, 3, 4. In the cool of the evening when everything is getting kind of groovy, I call you up and ask me if you'd like to go with me and see a movie. At first you say no, you've got some plans for the night, and then you stop and you say alright. Loving's kinda crazy with a spooky little girl like you. You always keep me guessing, and I never seem to know what you were thinking. If some fella looks at you, for sure your little eye will be a winking. I get so confused, cause I don't know where I stand, and then you smile and you hold my hand. Loving's kinda crazy with a spooky little girl like you. Spooky! You decide someday to stop this little game that you were playing. I'm gonna tell you all that my heart's been dying to be saying. And just like a ghost, you've been haunting my dreams, so I'll propose on Halloween. Loving's kinda crazy with a spooky little girl like you. Spooky! Loving's kinda crazy with a spooky little girl like you. If you want to learn how to play this song, go to my YouTube page, and I have a tutorial for this. It's super easy. And also, if you need a sheet, just message me directly, song sheet. I'll just send you a link and the sheet. So happy Halloween.